Ready to ditch that distracting background and transport yourself anywhere, all without a green screen. We're diving into how to remove and change your video background like a pro, using software and techniques that make it surprisingly easy. First up, let's talk about software. Adobe Premiere Pro offers powerful key effects like Ultra Key, often used for green screen, but we can adapt it for other backgrounds. To search for Ultra Key in the Effects panel and drag it onto your clip. Now, in the Effects Controls panel, use the Sample Color tool to select the dominant color in your background you want to eliminate. Tweak the threshold, highlight, and shadow settings until your subject is clearly separated from the background. Experiment with these settings, as results vary based on your footage. Next, let's explore AI-powered background removal. Filmora boasts an AI portrait feature. Simply drag the effect onto your clip, and Filmora's AI automatically detects and isolates your subject, removing the background. Then, drag your new background image or video beneath the clip with the AI portrait effect on the timeline, and voila! You've changed your background with minimal effort. Don't underestimate mobile apps. CapCut, for example, has a cutout feature that lets you remove backgrounds automatically or manually with a brush tool. For more precise control, use the manual selection brush tool to refine the edges of your subject. This is particularly useful for tricky areas like hair. Experiment with different backgrounds to create visually appealing content. Remember, the key is to have good lighting and clear separation between your subject and the original background for the best results. Now go create some amazing videos with dynamic backdrops. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more video editing tips.